So 3 months ago, we picked up this phone right here. And if you look at this phone, you look at this phone right here, it's a magic trick. Which one's which? Well, that's the Duo 2 on the left-hand side. So 3 months ago, we picked up this phone. And I'll be honest, I absolutely still love the Duo 2. And that's all I can say about that. No, in reality, though, the Duo 2 was everything I wanted it to be. The Duo 2 was an extension and an improvement on the Duo 1. I love the Duo 1. I think once I get Android 12L, this phone will be the best phone on the market for the price tag it is, for the functionality you get out of it. I mean, you literally get a mini computer for around $350. Once this gets Android 12L, this will be the phone to get. With that being said, though, I said it before in the video, I'll say it again. These phones are not flagship phones. And the aspect of trying to push a flagship name on these phones is absolutely wrong. These phones are a niche market phones. These phones are created for the person who needs that extra level of performance and multitasking capabilities. These phones are for professionals, but also can be used for really good for entertainment, playing games. These are not your typical candy bar cell phone. And I did say I do agree with MBKHD's video when he did say that, this was the bust of the year. And I think it was the bust of the year because when you're comparing the Surface Duo 2 to other cell phones, flagship cell phones, this phone right here is a bust. But that's because it should not be compared to those cell phones. So here's what I love about the Duo 2. I love the Duo 1. The Duo 2 gives me a 30% bigger battery, less bezels, an actual camera setup, NFC, water resistance in a very bare minimum factor, an outside glance display that nobody uses, and also it does have an updated processor, more gigabytes of RAM, and overall a lot less buggy software completely. Has Android 11 rather than Android 10, and obviously both these phones in the near future, in the next 2 months, are getting Android 12L, so this is going to make it more comparable in the future, but for right now, here's what the numbers are. That phone right here is $300. This phone is $1,500. Coming from a Duo 1 user, could I recommend or saying $1,500 is worth it to spend? My answer to that question has to be no. But if you have the money to blow, I wouldn't say no to picking this phone up. But when it comes to really, is it worth the $1,500 upgrade? Me personally, I'm going to say no. But I think it's still a really, really amazing phone. And like I said, it's that production value you get out of the Duo 2. And a lot of people want to compare it to a candy bar cell phone or even the Galaxy Z Fold 3. And you really can't. This is not a Galaxy Z Fold 3. This phone goes 360 degrees. It becomes literally like a big cell phone, and it folds all the way there. This is a unique, specialized device, and for multitasking, this device is absolutely amazing. I've said many times in my videos that I am a college student, and I use this phone for my college stuff more than anything in this world. I have different, keyboard and mice that actually connect well with it, and I can take them anywhere I want to take them, and I don't have to be bulked down with a whole entire laptop or set up with me. It's just easy, it's simple, and that's why I love this device. I love this device not because of a cell phone or what it is as a cell phone. This device is a mini computer that also has the capability of being a cell phone. And I think a lot of people don't understand that concept when they're looking at the Duo 1 or Duo 2. At the end of the day, these are not your typical cell phones. They can be used as them. And what I mean by that is, again, like I said, I use this for my as a computer, pretty much as a laptop computer. I use this every single day for college, but you can also play video games on this. I mean, the joke is the Nintendo DS, right? Because you can go like this and actually use it like a DS. would I recommend this phone to the average person? Absolutely no. Absolutely no. If you're watching this video right now and you never own a Duo 1 and you're looking at this phone, you're like, should I pick that up? Should I pick that up? No, because you're not going to pick this phone up and use it for the correct purpose, most likely. And then you're going to hate it and you're going to want to return it and get your money back. It was a waste of time. It was a waste of money. There's no point. But if you're a professional, let's say, you work in the office all day, this is a great phone for you. Say you're an archetype, architect, this is a great phone for you. Let's say you're a business person, this is a great phone for you. Let's say you want a secondary device and you have the money to spend, great phone for you. I will say, if you are buying this as your primary device, you gotta understand what you're getting yourself into. You can't go into this phone as a primary device and expect everything from a flagship cell phone. You're simply not going to get it. And I will say, overall wise, design of this phone is absolutely gorgeous. I still love the Duo 1 design way better because of that camera bump. But overall wise, I think the design of this phone is so good. The durability of it is absolutely amazing. You have a lot better USB-C port at the bottom here that doesn't break as easy as the last one. You, of course, do have that camera, which the software is getting better and better as more updates come along. And overall, it's a beautiful device. But it's not a beautiful device for everybody. And I think that's what, in MBKHC's video, he said that. He called it the bust of the year, and I did agree a lot with it because I think for a flagship cell phone, this is a bust. But it's not a flagship cell phone. And if you compare it to that, you're not giving it the correct, decency of what the cell phone is. This is a mini computer, a performance device that is next level, that for a lot of people simply is just not needed. And I will say, moving forward in the future, that's when we're going to get more and more into, these foldable phones that are more consumer friendly, more friendly for the average person, and becomes more of a flagship cell phone. But at this moment in time, we're just simply not there. So with $1,500, it's a lot to spend. Are you getting the $1,500 worth of upgrades from the Surface Duo 1? Me personally, I'm going to say no, because you're going to get Android 12L on both devices anyway. And if you really break them down the software then will be kind of similar. You're getting updated processors, 30% better battery, NFC, outside glance display is pointless. With $1,500 more, I'm probably going to go ahead and say just save your money, hold out, wait for the Duo 3. Hopefully the Duo 3 is a little bit less expensive, but that won't be for 2023. So overall wise, I probably rather recommend picking up Duo 1 and a Duo 2. But if you want to go ahead and get the best of all, Duo 2 is your option. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.